Hello everyone and welcome to my bot trading channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install a Forex trading bot on the MT4, MT5 platform in the most detailed way. Before installing the bot, step 1, you need to rent a VPS. Why do we need a VPS? Simply put, after setting up the bot, it needs to run continuously 24/7, and to do that, you need a VPS. A VPS virtual private server is like a remote computer that operates independently just like a real PC. It allows the bot to run without interruption and prevents issues like Wi-Fi disconnection or power outages. You can look for a reputable VPS provider to purchase one. After that, on your computer, search for remote desktop connection to log in using the VPS credentials. Please keep this in mind. Step 2. Once logged in, go to Google and download MT4 and MT5. I'll first guide you on installing the bot on MT4. The bot I'm about to install runs on MT4, so we'll download that version. If your bot runs on MT5, then download MT5 instead. After downloading and extracting the files successfully, move on to Step 3. Step 3. Log into your Exness account, either on your computer or phone, and create a new real account. Choose the standard sent account type and make sure it's in mount for account. I'll now demonstrate how to open this account and then deposit funds into it. To get the bot running, you can start by depositing around $15, $20, depending on your needs and budget. You can deposit more to optimize your profit potential. After funding your account, go back to the Exness MT4 interface on your computer, log in, and prepare to install the bot. I'll also show you how to log into MT4 in case you don't know how. In your newly created account, go to the settings section to find your login credentials and server info. For example, my server is Exness Referral 35, so I'll find and select that. Then click Next. Now enter your login info. Login is your account number, and for password, note that this is your trading account password, not your main Exness account password. Once all that's done, now we move to the actual bot installation. Go to File, greater than Open Data folder, MQL for Experts. In the Experts folder, copy the bot file named TT2020 into it. This bot was shared in a very reputable MMO community, and the admin tested it thoroughly before sharing it. If you want to receive this bot, simply register an Exness account using the link in the description or bio, then send me your account ID and I'll share it with you for free. Back in MT4, go to the Expert Advisors tab and click Refresh. The TT20 bot should appear right away. To display all trading pairs, right-click the Market Watch area and select Show All. This bot runs on the UJUSD JPY pair, so open its chart. Then drag and drop the bot onto the chart. Go to the Common tab and check the box Allow Live Trading. Then click OK. You'll now see the bot interface appear on the chart. In the top right corner, you'll see a smiley face icon. Click it. Then go to the Inputs tab to load the bot's setup file. Make sure you select the correct file for the UJ pair, or the bot won't function properly. I'll select the latest setup file and click Open. At this point, the bot hasn't placed any trades yet. You need to manually place the first trade by enabling one-click trading. Place a quick order, then close it. This will activate the bot. Next, click Auto Trading. When the icon turns green, it means the bot is now running successfully. And that's it with this guide. I believe you can now set it up on your own. To get this bot, simply register with Exness using the link in the description or bio, then send me your account ID. I'll share it with you for free. If you run into any issues during installation or if the bot doesn't run, feel free to reach out through the contact links in my Beacon's profile or leave a comment below, and I'll help you out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to support me in creating more valuable content. Good luck!